That's 200 pounds in just 5 minutes.
Yeah, understand, right? If it is difficult.
So the only thing you need is this toilet plunger from Amazon. It's 15 pounds and it earns me at least 200 pounds per unblocking of a toilet. Sometimes 300 pounds, sometimes 400 pounds. It's just an investment of 15 pounds. Buy now from Amazon, thank me later. Book your course now, 5dayplumbingcourse.com. Yeah. Oh, you can insert the card from the bottom. Yeah, so it should ask for the PIN.
This one, yeah?
Yeah, that's the green one. Yeah, you can take the card out. 5dayplumbingcourse.com.
Yeah, understand, right? Yeah, of course. If it is difficult, let us see how we justify it.
I will justify it. You don't understand. I'm saying.
What's your name, bro?